is for Chapter 5, Question 8. So we first start off with this turtle program here, creating these bars, these numbers, all filled with red. For Question 8, though, what we're going to do is we're going to get Turtle T to draw one bar of height. And if height is equal to or greater than 200, the bar will be red. If it's equal to or greater than 100 and less than 200, the bar will be yellow. And if the bar is less than 100, it will be green. So all I did here is I took the previous equation and I created an if statement. So if the height is greater than or equal to 200, then we'll label the fill color as red, begin the fill, and then it will not pay attention to these else ifs because this is the only one that counts. And then you'll see down here it ends the fill over here. Now let's say it's less than 200, then it will go to this else if. So if the height is greater than or equal to 100 and the height is less than 200, then we will do this fill color and begins fill and ends fill down here. And then if none of these fulfill that, then else if height is less than 100, the fill color will be green and it begins fill and ends fill. So if we go ahead and run this, we see that is exactly what happens there.